Want to sort an array in Java quickly and easily? In this video, I'll show you how to do it in the most efficient way possible. But before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. For example, here I've already prepared a few lines of code that generate 5 random numbers, which we'll sort afterward. If you're just working with primitive data types like int or char inside an array, you can simply use the sort method from the Arrays class like this. Then, and pass your array as the argument. Make sure you import the Arrays class before using it. Now, if we print the array, you'll see the original values on the first line and the sorted version on the second line. However, if the array contains objects instead of primitive types, we'll need to use a comparator. For example, let's change the array so that it holds integer objects instead of primitive integer values. For your information, writing integer like this refers to the wrapper class for the primitive type int, which makes each element an object. To sort an object array with custom logic, we first need to create an instance of a comparator. Make sure that the generic type you specify after the comparator keyword matches the object type you want to sort. Also, don't forget to import the comparator class as well. Next, we override the compare method to define how we want to compare the elements. In this case, let's say we want to sort the integers in descending order. So, we'll reverse the usual comparison logic. Now, to sort the object array, we use the sort method from the Arrays class again, but this time, the first argument is the object array, and the second is the comparator we just created. Let's print the result. The first line shows the randomly generated array of integer objects, and the second line shows the same array sorted in reverse order. That's pretty much it. Now you know how to sort arrays in Java, from basic numbers to objects, and even in custom orders. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.